Hey everyone, David Casanova here from Yucatan Real Estate Group, and today I'm about to show you a really beautiful new listing that is move-in ready. Come and check it out. As you start here, we have a two parking garage covered. That's very important for the heat of Merida. And as we walk through the main entrance here, you're gonna see how beautiful and move-in ready this home is. Come in now and see this beautiful open concept space that has been created by the current owners. Will include all the appliances that you see, the beautiful carpentry, all the fans and lighting, 4 ACs, one in each bedroom, and this one that you see here in the living room. Includes a pressurizer, includes the pumps for the pool, and includes 6 solar panels with the option to upgrade it to 12 solar panels. Next to the open concept, we're gonna have access to the 2 secondary bedrooms and 1 bathroom that is shared between the 2 bedrooms. All the blinds, fans, and carpentry that you can see in these bedrooms are included at the listing price, and the bed frame, the desks, everything else that you see can be included for a small additional price. Moving on to this space, we can get access to what it is, the cover terrace. What the owners have done here in relation to the heat that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, they added this nice shade, so it blocks the sun coming into the private terrace during this time of the day, making it very usable. You can see the fan, it is really nice in here. And then as you walk through into or behind this cover, you'll find this beautiful area with a stone by the pool and a really nice stone grill area. Come back into the open concept space. We're just now going to go and show you the last bedroom, the master bedroom. To your left, you're going to have a very nice walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. And inside, currently, we have a queen-size bed with the whole bedroom set, really nice blinds, the fan and the AC that all come included. So there you have it, guys. This is a beautiful property. The location for this property is in Conkal. Hasta luego.